Hello children, we are going to study EVS lesson number 1, going to school. Page number 5. Open your page number 5 of your textbook children. Now, before going through the lesson, let's summarize it. We have seen how the children from different parts of our country go to school despite of difficulties. The children of Assam has to cross bamboo bridge where there is water till knees. The children of Ladakh make use of trolleys where they have to cross deep and wide river every day to go to school. We have also seen in some parts of Kerala, children make use of Vallam to go to school. Today, we are going to study how the children of Rajasthan reach school. When we think of Rajasthan, the first thing that comes to our mind, children, is what? Yes, desert. Desert means what? Desert means there is sand all around. Now children, answer to my question. Have you ever sat in a camel cart or horse carriage? Yes, yes, I have sat in a horse carriage. Where? In my village. Did you climb it on yourself or did someone help you? I climbed it on it myself. Okay. How did you feel riding in the cart? Also share your experience in the class. I really enjoyed riding in a cart. It was enjoyable, students? Yes. Now next is bullock cart. Where we see these bullock carts, children, in the areas where there are plains. Plains means what? The area which is very plain. Means no mountain areas are there. Green fields are there. Okay. Now children of villages in plains ride in bullock carts to reach school. See here in picture we see that there are students coming in bullock cart. These bullock carts slowly go through the green fields. Children use umbrella when it is raining or when it is very hot sun. Now children, answer to my questions. Do you have bullock carts where you live? Of course we have. Yes, there are bullock carts in my area. Does it have a roof? Yes, it has a roof. Roof means what, children? If you see at the picture behind, that roof type part is put on the cart. What kind of wheels do they have? They have wooden wheels. Wooden wheels they have. Now make a drawing of a cart in your notebook. That is activity for you, that you make a drawing of cart in your notebook. Now next is bicycle ride. Now children, we see children ride on bicycle on long roads to reach school. At first, girls did not go to school because it was too far. But now, groups of 7-8 girls easily ride even through the difficult roads. Children, even in our school, we see students come on bicycle to school. Riding a bicycle is a good exercise. It does not cost much and have a less maintenance. Isn't it, children? And of course, we can keep our health by doing cycling and all that. So it is a good exercise. Now it's time to question time. Can you ride a bicycle? Who taught you to ride? If yes, I can ride a bicycle. Who taught you? My father taught me to ride. How many children come on bicycle to your school? Now you know how many children, how many students come on bicycle to our school. You have to write. I have seen 2 to 3 children come on bicycle to our school. Now next is Jugaad, water vehicle. Now children, the next picture, that is jugaad, and where we see this type of vehicle? In Gujarat. Next, jugaad, water vehicle. This type of jugaad is seen in Gujarat. The front of jugaad looks like a motorcycle, but the carriage at the back is made out of planks of wood. Now if you see at the picture, you see that the front side is a motorcycle, and the back side is made up of planks of wood, and it sounds how foot when it runs. Jugaad has been made by using waste material. Now children, do you have such vehicles in your area? Have you seen such type of vehicles in your own area? No, we don't have. We have not seen such vehicles in our area. So if we have not seen, then what we can call it? So leave that question. Would you like to ride in something like this? Yes. But why? I would like to ride. It would be fun. Can you tell why it is called jugaad? Now, jugaad has been made by using waste materials with minimum expenses. That jugaad is an word like that. Means to make out of something waste and to run the things like that only. The jugaad has been made by using waste material. Why don't you also try to make something by putting together some waste material? Now children, what they are telling you to do, you have to try something best out of waste at your home. Okay? Okay children, we are going to stop here today. From page number 8, we are going to see in the next part. Till then, goodbye.